Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry for JEE Mains. First, begin by building a solid foundation in general organic chemistry, including EUPAC nomenclature and isomerism. These are crucial for understanding more complex topics. Next, focus on reaction mechanisms, paying close attention to electron movement and the formation of intermediates. This conceptual clarity will help you predict products and understand reaction pathways efficiently. Dedicate at least 1/4 of your initial study time to these foundational areas. Once your foundation is strong, move on to specific reactions and reagents. Categorize reactions based on functional groups such as alcohols, aldehydes, and carboxylic acids, and understand the role of different reagents. Pay special attention to named reactions like aldol condensation or Cannizzaro reaction, memorizing their conditions and products. Consistent practice is key. Aim to solve at least 50 multiple-choice questions every day to reinforce your learning and improve problem-solving speed. Effective revision is vital for retaining information. Develop short, crisp notes summarizing key reactions, mechanisms, and important exceptions. Regularly review these notes to keep the concepts fresh in your mind. Solving previous year's JEE Mains questions will familiarize you with the exam pattern and common question types. Additionally, take one full-length mock test every 2 to 3 days to simulate exam conditions and identify areas needing more attention. This strategy helps build stamina and time management skills. In the final stretch, prioritize high-weightage topics such as biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life, as these often have direct questions. Avoid introducing entirely new and complex topics in the last week to prevent confusion. Instead, consolidate your existing knowledge and refine your problem-solving techniques. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other helpful deals. Stay confident and trust your preparation. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.